Dati kasikatan ni Manny Pacquiao, kami po ay mahilig manood ng aking kaibigan ng mga laban niya, no? Mga live streaming ng kanyang laban. Sabi ng kaibigan ko, naku, dapat manalo si Pacquiao. Oh, talaga naman gusto ko siyang manalo. Alam kong fan na fan siya ni Pacquiao. It so happened that the opponent, Juan Miguel Marquez, got the better of Pacquiao with a lucky punch, no? And sent Pacquiao sleeping on the canvas. And I was so sad, devastated for my friend. I knew he was a big fan, and it's a bad loss. And I told my friend, no, sayang, no, hindi siya nanalo. Sabi ng kaibigan ko, huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa. Live pa lang yan. May isa pang laban mamaya sa replay. Babawi sa Pacquiao. This friend of mine, no, could not accept the sign that was already given to him. It was a clear defeat, but nevertheless, he kept clinging on to what he wanted. The same is true with the Pharisees. No? They were seeking yet another sign from Jesus, even though Jesus has already performed miracles, healings, and proclaimed the word of the Lord. All the signs were already clear. And yet, they were still asking for a sign that would befit them. But Jesus knew their intention. And so, He didn't give them another sign. Ang mga Pariseo, they were feeling entitled for a miracle since they were scholars of the law and followers of the law. They were hard-hearted. They wanted, even though signs were already performed by the Lord, they can't accept it. They still wanted to test Jesus. And they were still manipulative. They were gaslighting Jesus. We will only believe in you if you do this sign, the sign that we want. Very manipulative on their part. But Jesus did not accommodate them. He knew their hearts. And so, we are being asked by the gospel for today not to follow the example of the Pharisees who were entitled, hard-hearted, and manipulative. Rather, let us be enlightened, humble, and mature. In accepting the signs of the Lord, may we be enlightened by it. Kapag may binigay na sa iyong mga pahiwatig ang Panginoong Diyos na magbagong buhay, be enlightened. And hopefully, we'll be humble to accept it. And in showing humility, in accepting what the Lord wants, may we be mature enough to change ourselves. And so, to counteract entitlement, hard-heartedness, and manipulation, may we show rather enlightenment, humility, and maturity in accepting and following God's will.